Hi Year 10s, welcome to today's video on the gradient. The gradient looks at the steepness of the line. You would have learned in the past rise over run, so how much does the line rise compared to how much it runs? Or how does y change when x changes? Today we're looking at the gradient formula, and that's this formula here in red, so y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. That means we're comparing two coordinates. So if we're given two set of coordinates, so x1 and y1, and x2 and y2, from there we can find the gradient. Now, the first set of coordinates is always stated first, and so we assume that they're the ones, and this one here is the second set of coordinates stated. So what we're doing here is we're finding the difference along that line and the difference along that line, and that will give us the gradient. Let's have a look at an example. Okay, so here in this example we've been given two sets of coordinates. We've been given the coordinates 1, 4 and 5, minus 3. I've put our formula here just to remind us of what we want to do. So we're looking at the vertical rise first, so we're looking at the y coordinates, and our formula says to do y2 over y1, so that's this, so minus 3 minus 4. Minus 3 minus 4 gives us minus 7. Now let's look at the horizontal run, so that's comparing the x's. So we have 5 minus 1, so x2 minus x1, and that gives us 4. And this gives us the gradient of minus 7 over 4. It's a bit of an ugly one to start with, but as you can see it works for any of the formulas that or any of the coordinates that we're looking at. Let's have a look at another set of coordinates that might be a bit friendlier. So, find the gradient of the line that passes through the points 4, 7 and 7, 3. So this is so 4, 7 is x1 and y1, and 7, 3 is x2, y2. Okay, so what I've done here is I've remembered my formula again, and I've replaced each of these x and y values into my formula. So x2 is 3, so y2 is 3, y1 is 7, and x2 is 7, and x1 is 4. And that gives me the answer of minus 4 over 3. And that's how we use the gradient formula. Tomorrow in class you have a double lesson, and that's plenty of time to complete all of the set work. You need to complete Unit 4 and 4C, and then tomorrow night watch the video on linear functions, and that's how we'll be ending the week. Now, I can see how many people are viewing these YouTube clips, so please send out the message that if I notice not many people are watching them, I will be quite cranky on Monday, and that there will be detentions for anyone who has not completed the booklet and all of the notes that need to be taken for these lessons. Sorry to end on a bit of a bad note. I hope you guys have a good day tomorrow, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.